Good morning, student. As you know, we are discussing the chapter 8 of class 6, that is decimal number. In the previous video, we had studied how a decimal number is represented based on its place value, and we have also represented decimal number on the number line. So in today's video, we will solve few questions of exercise 8.1. So this is the first question. So in this question, there are three set of boxes. In each set of boxes there are 10 boxes: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here the number of boxes is 10. Here also the number of boxes is 10. Here also the number of boxes is 10. Now here the number of boxes is 1. Number of boxes is 1, and this box is made of this 10 separate entity. So if we sum this entity into 10 equal parts, if we stack one structure over another one, so this is first entity, this is second entity, this is third, this is fourth. This is fourth. So suppose there are 10 number of suppose there are 10 number of this entity. Suppose the count of this entity is 10. So it means that suppose if we stack all these 10 entities one over another, that is if we stack it one over another, we will get this one single box. We will get one single box. So we can say that this single box is made of 10 entity of this kind. If you place one entity over one another, we will get one single box. So in one single box there are 10 entity of this type, and this is a three set of 10 number of boxes. In first set there are 10 boxes, in second set there are 10 boxes, and in third set there are 10 boxes. So suppose we are asked to count the number of boxes and represent them in numeral form. So how we will represent it? Now we can see here that there are three set of 10 boxes. So here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 boxes. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 10 boxes. So we can say that there are three set of 10 boxes. So we can also represent it in the form of 3 into 10. Or we can say that the each place value of each 10 set of boxes can be represented as tens. So we can say that there are three tens, first tens, second tens, and three tens, which can be written in the form of 3 into 10. There are 10 boxes in each set. In first set there are 10 boxes, in the second set there are 10 boxes, and the third set there are 10 boxes. So it can be written as 3 into 10. Now in case of ones, the number of boxes are only 1. So what we can write here is 1 into 1. It will be 1 into 1. Now in 10th case, there are only 2 entity, and we know that if we add 10 entity of this kind, we will get one single box. So we can say that if we place one box over another, we will get, if you place 10 boxes of this 10 entity of this kind, and if you place one over another, we will get this single box. But here we have only two entities, so we can say that the numeral value of this two unity can be written as 2 by 10. So student, the numeral value of this three set of boxes will be 3 into 10, because in each set there are 10 boxes, so we have written in the form of 3 into 10. Now in this case there are only one single box, so we have written it in the form of 1 into 1, and this one single box is made up of 10 entity of this kind. So if we place one entity of this kind and we place 10 entity in quick succession, we will get this one single box. So number of entity of this kind is 2, or we can write it in the form of 2 by 10, because if you add 10 boxes, or we can say that if you multiply it into 10, we will get, into 5, we will get one complete single box. So we can say that the numeral value of this 2 can be written in the form of 10th form, that is 2 by 10. So student, this 3 into 10 can be written as 30, this 1 into 1 can be written as 1, and 2 by 10 will be 2 by 10. So we know that while writing the place value of a decimal number, we start with 10 places. The highest place value is here 10, so we will write 30. The next place value is of ones, so we will write 1. Thereafter the next place value is 2 by 10, so we will write it 2 by 10. Thereafter we will write 3 plus 1, it will be 31, plus we know that 2 by 10, if we 2 by 10, the decimal equivalent of fraction 2 by 10 will be 0.2, so it will be 31.2. So student, the numeral value of this figure is 31.2. So in this figure we had three set of 10 boxes. In each set there are 10 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There are 10 boxes. In each set there are 10 boxes, and here there is one box, and each box is made up of 10 entity of this kind. Or we can say that if you place this 10 entity one over another, we will get one single box. So since here we have three set of 10 boxes, then if you are asked to count the number of boxes, so how we will count it? We will multiply 3 into 10, so there will be 30 boxes. Here there is simply single box, so we will write 1 into 1. It signifies there is one box, so we will, and place value of this one box is 1, so we wrote it here 1 into 1. And here the 1/10th part, since this box is made of 10 entity, we can say that the value of one entity is 1 by, the value of single entity is 1 by 10. So the number of entity of kind 1 by 10 is 1 and 2. So we wrote it at 2 by 10, or we can write it as 2 into 1 by 10. This is the much more comprehensive representation. 2 into 1 by 10. This is much more comprehensive representation, 2 into 1 by 10, which can be written as 2 by 10. So here if you multiply 10 into 3, it will be 30, 1 into 1 it will be 1, and 2 into 1 it will be 2 into 10. If you add it, it will be 30 plus 1, 31, and 2 by 10, we know that the decimal equivalent of 2 by 10 will be 0.2. So if you add it, we will get 31.2. So this is the first question. In the next video, we will learn certain question of this kind. Till then, stay home, stay safe.